Afternoon to you all, or good day. I'm Karen Ashby, and I am here to share with you something that was channeled specifically to me, personally to me, in July 2nd of 2022. However, in rereading this recently, I felt that it was still very applicable to today. And the P's and I, because this is from the Pleiadians, have um, decided to title this A Recipe for the Times. So it's not very long. I will just read it to you, and more or less as they sent it to me with some changes from the personal. Hello, we are the Pleiadians, and we love you. We wish to be of more assistance and to help you to realize how much we love you and how much we desire Ascension to be further along so that we can rush in and scoop you all off your feet and gather you to us because you have asked for our help. Many of us have been here in the physical on Gaia before, so we understand some of the challenges, the heart and the heartaches of being human, of feeling so much, of wondering how to get through it all, how to do the human thing, and where to get your strength from. We know it is not always easy, though it is often easier for light workers. But we want to say again to all of you, be the light that you wish to see for the rest of the world. Be the joy that is spreading on the planet. You choose to be here now, bringing your wisdom and your knowledge. Know that you can have and will have better health. Know how to heal yourself and also how to be more grounded in who you truly are. Be patient, follow the markers on the trail, for they are all there. Even if you have to backtrack, they are all there. Keep your physical and interdimensional sights open. You will know which turn to take, how to maneuver, when to maneuver, where to go. The trip will unfold all in its right time. It will astound and entrance you. As we keep saying, you have no idea the excitement in store, the joy, the boundlessness of 5D life, because you have not yet lived it on Gaia, not on the new Gaia. She is preparing the way. She has gone shopping, returned home with all the ingredients to prepare with love, a feast so rare and exquisite that you cannot yet imagine it. It's like food of the gods, nourishment that you do not yet know. She and we feel her excitement, her passion for all of you who choose to stay by her side. She is so grateful not to be alone, to be taking so many of her children with her. She has been waiting very long to do this. She has read books, consulted the cooks of ancient times, learned how to prep and present, and then she will stand back as you savor her results. She can see now the smile of joy spreading on your faces as you melt into the food, allowing it to nourish and sustain you into many incarnations and other experiences. For you see, she knows that you will take all your learnings as you always have done and always will do, no matter where you are or where you have been. At this time of ascension, she is bubbling with energy and anticipation to show you what she will gift to you, and she knows how much you will take away with you. Both you and she have waited long to journey together. You chose her and she chose you. Be prepared for the meal. It will be beyond your expectations. It will open doors that forever have been locked. We are so jubilant and honored to be a part of this reunion and supper. We will call it the First Supper. The Ascended Masters, the angels, and archangels have gathered for this rare event. We don our new clothes to attend. We can then be of more assistance to you, and you will then truly know what it is like to work together, to create a universe that will rock all universes. Oh, I think Roger, the Pleiadian, is here. Yep, I'm here, and so are millions of others. We are gathering for the party. There are many challenges ahead. though, before the shopping is started, menus to be prepared, food to grow, but it will be perfect. Nurturing, vibrant, light infused, all carefully chosen for its desire to be a part of this great festivity. However, the chains for some of you are not yet broken. You do not know that, or if you do, you're not sure how to break them. Time is running low, though. Choice is imminent. Choose carefully and wisely. It will determine your soul's path. It will determine how other planets ascend, and Gaia is the way shower. You are all creator gods. It is written. Thank you for the dinner invitation. Good night, dear ones. In love and support, we are the Pleiadians. So that was written originally in 2022 and revised for this reading today. So I hope that you have enjoyed it and gotten something out of it. And until next time, thank you for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.